Recently, I was watching some reels on TikTok, and suddenly I came across an amazing channel called Gabe Stories. This channel has more than 80.2K followers and over 4.1 million views. The creator makes cartoon-style animated videos featuring young girls and boys. In these videos, you'll see stories about young boys and girls in college, school, and university life. Some of their videos have reached millions of views, which is absolutely incredible. And guess what? These types of animated videos can earn up to $5,000 per month because people, especially young audiences, love this kind of content. So today, we are going to create a full animated story video using a powerful new AI tool. My friends, don't skip this video because every part is very important. Let's go! I have also already created a complete story with detailed characters and scenes. You don't need to write any story yourself. All the story details are ready. You can download the full script and character details from the link in the description. I have provided everything in a Microsoft Word file. Now it's very simple. Just come to ChatGPT to create your story in a clear and organized way. You can even use the free version of ChatGPT. First, upload your story file here. ChatGPT will automatically analyze it and generate 15 story timelines. From those timelines, I selected the third one. Then I asked ChatGPT, please give me 10 image prompts or video prompts. ChatGPT generated 10 image and video prompts for me. Sometimes the characters are not consistent. So here is a simple trick. Go to TikTok and find the best animated story channel. Take a screenshot of the thumbnail or characters you like, then come back to ChatGPT and upload that screenshot. Ask ChatGPT, I want the same character style, exactly like this. This time, ChatGPT will generate story prompts with the same character style. After that, ask ChatGPT, please create a full story in this same style. Now ChatGPT will give you a complete story with narration prompts. And that's it. Everything is done. My friends, now it's time to use this amazing new AI tool. And boom! Now come to Elser.ai, one of the most powerful AI tools to generate images, videos, and full story animations, my friends. First, look at the dashboard. It looks amazing and very professional. My friends, Elser.ai also has an AI assistant. You just give a prompt, and it creates a full AI video or story for you. This tool also includes AI image generator, AI video generator, AI sound, AI actors, AI anime videos, AI ads, and many more features. Everything is available on one website, and the design is super cool. Now, my friends, simply log in using your Google account. For the first time, Elser.ai gives you some free credits to generate AI images and videos. So let's start and create our animated story. First, go to ChatGPT and copy your main story prompt. Then come back to Elser.ai and paste the prompt into the AI box. Also, paste the narration prompt with the story and click on Create Anime Video. Now our story generation starts. First, Elser.ai generates the full story and asks if you want any changes. I didn't change anything because everything looked perfect. Then click Next and wait. Now the storyline generation starts. After a few moments, boom! Elser.ai generates 15 scenes according to the story. It looks amazing. Now click Next, and the main settings appear. This step is very important, so follow carefully. First, select the aspect ratio, 9:16, perfect for TikTok and Shorts. Then select the image model, Nano Banana model. You can also try other models. Next, select the video model. I chose Cdance 1.0 Pro, but you can also use Cdance 1.0 Pro, Fast or Kling models. For voiceover, we don't need it right now because we will generate it later. Set the video duration to 10 seconds, which is good for long videos. Now select the style according to your story theme. Then click Next and wait for character generation. Elser.ai generates 3 characters. The first is Evan, the second is Mr. Alvarez, and the third is Jason. Now click Next. You will see 2 options, Auto-generate or Manual generate. I recommend using Auto-generate to create your story video easily. Confirm it. Now, my friends, all images and videos start generating. First, it creates images, then videos. Wait for about 2 minutes. Boom! Your images are ready. Now go to the video section and generate videos for all scenes. You can also select camera movements and voice lines. Now the video generation starts. Wait for some time until everything is completed. My friends, Elser.ai is an amazing AI website. I really love it. When the video is ready, go to the Final Cut section. Here, all parts of the video are added to the timeline. You can edit the video manually or use auto-edit options. Now generate the voiceover. On the left side, you will see the voiceover option. Paste all narration into the voiceover box, select a voice, and click Generate. Your voiceover is ready. Add it to the timeline. Now adjust the video according to the narration. Finally, click on Export, and your story video is ready. But wait, don't skip. There are more options to generate videos. Now go back to the home page, my friends. Here you will see 2 options, AI image and AI video. If you don't want to create a full story video, you can also generate only images or videos. For example, now I will generate 1 image and 1 video. Now first I generate AI image. Now I open the first AI image tool. You will see many different models, like Google Nano Banana model and other models. But I will use the Nano Banana model. Simply copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the AI box. Then select the style. After that, choose the ratio. 9:16 for Shorts and TikTok, or 16:9 for YouTube. Both look amazing. Now click on Generate Image and wait for only 10 seconds. Boom! Look at this. The image looks super cool and beautiful. Now it's time to generate a video. Go back and open the AI video tool. Here you will see many models, like Sora AI and other tools. I will select the WAN 2.6 model. Now upload the image or paste the prompt from ChatGPT. Select the multi-shot option for better generation. Then choose the resolution and hit Generate Video. Now wait for about 1 minute. Boom! Our video is ready. Look how amazing and beautiful it is.
Because they weren't looking, like we are.
Now let's talk about pricing. My friends, Elser.ai is currently offering an 87% discount. This is the best time to buy a subscription. There are 4 plans. Basic Plan, Pro Plan for professionals. Unlimited Plan for unlimited generation. Creator Plan for teams. So, my friends, today we created a full story video and a short video using Elser.ai. So why are you waiting? Go to Elser.ai, upgrade your account, and start creating amazing videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.